So this is my trading system, and it's a trendline break retest in continuation with 100% retracement back to the starting point. I've experienced this over and over, and because of that, I want to put this on record. This is a macro trend of H4 where we have points where the market really touched, which this is the first point, this is the second one. Expect the third right here. But inside it, we have this point as the first, the second, the third, slightly touched, but it wasn't touched here, the fourth. So, what is my A setup? My A setup is when I have structure like this: lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then we have trend line being broken and being retested. I expect the market to go back to the first touch, the second, the third, the fourth, and so on like that. So when my trend line was broken, I went to lower time frame. Looking at the trading system and the information that I put out here, I expect the market to go back, give me a retracement back to the starting point. So this trading system is based on trend touch, and the trend touch is used for entry using the structure of H4, key level of H4, trend line touch points of the H4. What do I mean by that? The trend line touch points right here after the first touch here, the second one here, I extend it into the future. I only need two touches to establish my trend line. This happened to be the first, this happened to be the second top. So I extend it to the future. So if this is my first touch right here, connected with the second one, I extend it to the future. So now coming to this, having this on this level, we have market reversing, market broke it, market created a high here, the high got broken and retested. This is break and retest with continuation candle, which is a confirmation candle. So we can see it better on lower time frame. You can see right here when the market gave the first, the second, the third touch, and the fourth touch it broke it and retested, gave a continuation candle. That gives me the information that we're gonna have our first take profit here, our second take profit here, our third based on the touch, and our fourth over there. So I have two setups here now. This trend line that has been coming from here, we have the first, the second, the third got broken, retested. So I expect the market to return back to this place. So with that, with this information, when I saw this trend line got broken at this point on H1, I went back to investigate it and I found out that we have continuation candles over here. Then I bought from this zone to this zone using my key levels. So that made me $16,000 on this assimilated account, which is 100,000 given to me. So just recording this for my next trade because I've seen this happening over and over again. This It's a mechanical trading. It it repeats itself from time to time. If we can see these touches, we have to seize opportunity. This is my A setup. Like this got broken here, and we have a retest here. I expect the market to return to all the touches one by one. So on the minimum, expect the market to touch this place. So with this, now I have established uh, this trade several times and it has really worked for me. So this is it for Trendline. This is also it for Trendline. For this to be broken and retested, as this one was broken and retested, I expect the market to return to the top over here. Today is Tuesday, 23rd of April 2024. So we'll come back to see what the market is giving us. I'm not looking at any news. I'm not taking any news, but this is my A setup, and that is the reason why I'm recording this. Look at this on Bitcoin. I found out that Bitcoin was going to be bullish a long time ago. This is my trend line. See, market gave me the first touch, the second touch. I extended it to the future, and the trend, the back of it got tested, and lo and behold, market returned to the first touch, returned to the second touch, and returned to the third touch. And that is it. So I've seen it several times, and it has played out several times. So seeing all this around this place, you can see something here. Market was coming down. We have the first, the second, the third touch. If we come to 4 hours, we see better. You see, market touched the end of this. We have the first, the second, the third. Market retested it and started moving up. So I expect the market to come to this. The third touch over here is been like this. So and the fourth touch got broken and market retested this point. Coming to H1, we can see clearly when market touched this place, it retested it and started moving up. So the first take profit, second take profit, and the third one right here. So expect market to be bullish. So I'll wait for this to happen. So let's return back to the next 100 that we're talking about. So this trend has been tested again. So expect as we have this touch now. So we have touched the first, going to the second, and we'll be going to the third. So that is the reason why I've tried to uh, record this so that I can use it for reference purposes. From H4 daily downward, there we're gonna be making our decisions. Market dropped here, connected here, dropped, connected again, dropped, connected partially here, dropped, and broke it and changed direction. So that's the reason why I took this trade, and here is the result over here. So to see if there is any history, I could have shown it. So these are all my entries. So I have no position open, and this is my log. So let's say I'm still learning this platform. I believe that I'll get it very soon so that I can make better profit. So that's it. marked out my key levels, and the key levels have been working so fine. The first key level got tested here. You can see broken, it got continued, and this corresponds with my trend line. Moving up, the whole of the zone got consumed and broke the second line on key level again. Market moved up, so expect market to continue bullish because now the structure of the market has changed. We were having low to lower low, lower high, lower low, which is lower than this low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, to high bottom. We got higher high, high low. Now we have higher high. Be expecting another high low. I don't know. Maybe it's gonna be this place. Maybe it's gonna be this place. And if it touches the back of this place, then I'll be aiming to get to this level right here on the minimum. So that is the end of this video right here. Save it for another trading day purposes.